So we will see how to create these type of panels that have buttons on top of it. Now there are two ways to do this. Either you take already made buttons from our websites, I will show you, or you can design it yourself. Design it in CAD and I will show you how to not how to design it, but how to take from the website. So this is the website I use, Freepik, and also there is another website, Victeezy. It's also a nice website. You can have the button need to be vector based, otherwise you will have to trace it or use image trace. So yeah, trace it in AutoCAD or Illustrator, and later on, anyway, we will see. So I downloaded from this website these files, the buttons. I can use any one of these, and maybe this also this. I used it as you saw before in the SketchUp file. I used this. For some buttons you need to make it seamless, edit it in Illustrator, so afterwards you can use it. I will use this button, one of these, which is I chose this one. So I opened it in Illustrator and I will grab it now. Okay. Und what is going on? No, I got. Let's just create. Let's just delete everything since we copied that. Paste this. Okay. So we will take this button and export it to AutoCAD file, and then we will import it to SketchUp. It will import just lines, so no need to worry about the colors or something. So let's import it here. Oh my god, it's very big. So let's get it first. Let's see how much is that. Okay. We enter the group, so when we rescale this, it will only rescale this particular group. I want this to be 10 centimeters from here to here. So it will be rescaled and almost like the rest of the buttons. So for this I will use since we need only the boundaries, I may have to use the plugin that MakeFace, and then I can only take what I need, which is the outer. The rest I can make it into glass or just make a fake surface, plain glass behind it. So that's one way to create it. I'll extrude it now. Yep, perfect. Okay. Let's export. I will group this. So there might be another way, which is, wait a second. If you don't have the plugin, you may use this way. But I like to use the MakeFace. You might use this way, but sometimes it's not working, as you can see here. Everything is interacting, but it's not working. It didn't make faces. The visual faces, I mean. Not sure why. So I think it's better to always use the make face. That's 10 centimeter. I'll rotate it now. 90. Now for the next tutorial, I will show you how to bend this kind of buttons into a carrot face, into whatever the path you need it to be. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe to see more, or suggest what you need, and hopefully I will make a tutorial about it. And thank you.